Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today is super exciting. A police officer stops a car on the street. What happens? You won't believe it. Let's go. Wait, before we start, guess. Why does the police officer stop the driver? Is it because he is going too fast? Wrong parking? Or maybe something funny? Write your guess in the comments now. Go, go, go! A sunny street. A police car with loud sirens and bright flashing lights. A driver sees the lights in the mirror and panics.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! A police car! Why? Why me? What did I do?
Good morning. Can I see your license, please?
Yes, officer. Yes, of course. Here is my license.
Thank you. Do you know why I stopped you? Do you know?
No, officer. I don't know. Please, excuse me. What is wrong? What did I do? I'm so scared.
You were driving very, very fast. Too fast. Dangerously fast.
Fast? Me? No, I was not fast. That is crazy.
Yes, you were fast. The speed limit here is 50 kilometers. You were driving 75.
75? Oh my God, no, that is not possible. Not me.
It is possible. I saw you. My radar saw you. You were very, very fast.
Oh no, oh no. I am so sorry, officer. I am really, really sorry. I didn't see the sign, I swear.
The sign is big and yellow. Very, very big. You must see it.
You are right. You are absolutely right. I was not paying attention. I am sorry.
Where are you going? Why are you in such a big hurry?
Officer, my mother, she is in the hospital. Her voice cracks. She is very, very sick. Very sick. I need to see her now.
Your mother? She is sick?
Yes, the hospital called me this morning. I am so worried, officer. So worried. I take a deep breath. I need to go now.
I understand, my friend. But listen to me. Fast driving is very dangerous. Very, very dangerous.
Yes, I know.
You can hurt yourself. You can hurt other people, children, families.
I know, officer. You are right. I am very, very sorry. I really am. I just want to see my mother.
Is your mother, is she really very sick? Tell me.
Yes, she is. She takes a shaky breath. The doctor said it is serious. Very serious. I am so scared, officer. I am so scared.
Okay, I see. Tell me, do you have a good driving record? Do you usually drive fast?
No. This is the first time. This is the first time. I never do this. I am a safe driver, officer. I promise.
Okay, I see. Okay, I see. I will not give you a ticket today.
What? Really? Really, officer? Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much. Ahem.
Okay, well, listen carefully. You must drive slowly now. You must follow the speed limit. Do you understand?
Yes, 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 I understand. Thank you, Alex. Thank you so much. I will be careful.